Hello you guys, it's Gaming with Jazz. In this video I'm going to be giving you some advice on how you can start a gaming channel on your phone. This can go several ways. Maybe your computer isn't strong enough to run games but your phone is. Maybe you just like making videos and stuff on your phone. Maybe you don't have a computer at all. Well, this can work for any circumstance. For thumbnails, channel banner, you can use Photor, you can use Pixlr, you can use PicsArt, you can use any editor app that allows you to edit photos. Or if you want to know what other options you have, you can just type in thumbnail maker or photo editor for thumbnails to see what other options there is. And you can simply look up the dimensions for a thumbnail and for a YouTube channel banner. But my advice is try to keep everything in the middle, because when you upload the banner, then that's what people are going to see on their phone. Everything that's in the middle. And I suggest Googling YouTube channel banner template as a guide to show you where to keep all of your text. For editing, you can use Power Director, KineMaster. They both have watermarks and you have to pay to get rid of it and have more features. However, the Pro version, I can place a bet that the Pro version does not cost that much money. And then once you pay whatever the fee is, then that's it. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription like you would for an editor on the computer. Or if you have a computer, you can use Movie Maker for Windows, iMovie for Mac, Wondershare, Filmora, Shortcut, whichever editor makes you happy. And on a computer, if you want to do thumbnails, you can use Photoshop, Canva, Photor, and so on. For recording, I use AZ Recorder and Mobazine. The reason I use those is because it does not take up a lot of space to record, meaning it doesn't need 2, 3, 4 gigabytes just for a 20-minute video. But it does depend on how long you record though. If you record for like 3 hours, of course it's going to be big, but just for 20 minutes it won't take up that much space. I also suggest you get a SD card with at least 100 gigabytes. I know it's probably going to be a little pricey, but at least it will help you out so much when it comes to storage space. I have that problem with storage space where I don't have much room for videos, but if you have an SD card, you can save your videos to the SD card. And I also suggest having them back up on the cloud or whatever, so in case something goes wrong and you lose footage, at least you can go back to the cloud and download it back. Or if you have a computer, then when you go to edit on the computer, you have to plug your phone in and drag it. You can just log into the cloud and drag it right onto your computer that way. Also, keep in mind that if you ever come across a channel where the creator recorded a gameplay video on their phone, keep in mind that the audio isn't going to be as pitch perfect as someone on a computer, and I'm going to explain why. On the computer, I use Fraps to record my gameplay, and if in the game I can't control the music in the game, the game's music will be louder than me. On the recorder, I can uncheck my mic, still record the sounds of the game, and then record my voice separately with Audacity, like this video right now. I'm using Audacity to record my voice, and then later on I'm going to merge it into whatever B-roll I use for this video. Now on mobile, on the other hand, the person will not have that option, because if you uncheck record sound, it will disable everything. You can't hear the game's voice or them, and also you cannot use headphones because when you plug it in, you can't get anything. And you can upload to YouTube from your phone. But so if there's anything that I left out, feel free to mention that in the comments down below. But moral of the story, you can have a gaming channel on your phone, computer, both. And also, this could work if you have an iPod, iPad, tablet. It can work for any mobile device, not just a phone. And one more thing, I suggest you get a Bluetooth keyboard so you can learn some keyboard tricks when you edit. And it'll save you trouble having to navigate everything with your thumbs, because that can be frustrating. And maybe look into getting a controller for your phone so you can navigate in the game easier. Make sure you subscribe and turn the bell icon so you guys know what I'm posting. And I will see you guys in the next video.